and welcome to a new vlog and trip report, and today we are taking a replacement train with Dostos from the former GDR and the class 112 from Würzburg to Ansbach. Here we can see our route, and now we can take a look at the arrival of my train in Würzburg. Of course, we're gonna take a look at the cars first. You saw the locomotive was locomotive of the class 112, and now we can take a look into these Dostos. Dosto stands for double-decker cars, and this is the version that was used in the former GDR. Nowadays they are quite rare. You will mainly only find them at replacement trains of the WFL, VFL, Wedler Franz Logistik is the name of the company, WFL. They have a lot of these cars still in use, and they are mainly operating replacement services. In this case they were replacing trains of Bavaria. They had a shortage of staff and of trains, and that's why the WFL stepped in and took over a few services from Bavaria, and they were mainly using those DR-Dostos. And we're gonna take a closer look at the interior in a few minutes. The railway line that we are on has been part of my videos already multiple times, so I'm not talking too much about the railway line. Here we were just crossing the river Main, and now we're following the river. This railway line is quite beautiful, and today I was in luck with the weather. It's very nice weather, and one big advantage of these trains compared to the regular trains is that this is a double-decker train, so I have a bit better view as I was sitting a bit higher. The train that we are on right now is not very comfortable. There are no features, I'll show it to you later. And the trains that I used regularly here is the Siemens Mireo, which is a quite comfortable train with a very good interior. So when it comes to comfort and features, it is a downgrade to travel with the replacement train, but when it comes to train being interesting for a train enthusiast, this is a very good replacement, a very nice train, and I was happy to be traveling with one of these trains as they are getting more and more rare in Germany. This time I also choose to sit in a middle car. Usually I would recommend to sit in the cab car because the cab car has a bit more of headroom. Here you can see that the windows are tilted quite strongly to the side, and of course this is reducing the space for your head. But I decided to take this car because here you have the most authentic experience in traveling in this old car. We will see this in a few seconds a bit better, how much the headroom is limited here in these trains. Here you can see it, how tilted the windows are. Of course this is taking away a lot of space for your head, so make sure to sit next to a window, not to the wall, because the wall is taking a few centimeters more away and then it's getting quite uncomfortable. Here you just saw seat pitch is quite okay, but the seats do have no features at all, no power sockets, no table of course. And they are also not too soft, so rather uncomfortable. But compared to the class 425 that was used sometimes on this line when Deutsche Bahn was still in charge, this train is quite comfortable compared to the class 425. But here we are already in Ansbach. Replacement trains are not used on this line anymore, but every now and then they are used somewhere in Germany, so chances to see a video with them again here on the channel are quite high. That's it for this video. Next video we will continue somewhere else. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to comment, like, subscribe or share the video link. Here you can see where the next video will be uploaded and the name of the song as always. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in my next video.